Welcome to the second part of our tutorial on blending in CapCut.
Import some clips to begin editing. Now let's bring in a question mark overlay and place it on the timeline. We will dive into the blending options and change the mode to brighten. As you can see, the black background of the overlay disappears, leaving on the clear question marks on the screen. While the blending option can give interesting results, sometimes they might not be as effective for certain overlays. In this case, we can use an alternative method, Chroma key. To do this, select the clip and navigate to the cutout section. Choose a Chroma key and activate the color picker tool. Use it to select the green color. In the overlay, adjust the strength and shadow shifter to the fine-tune the transparency and clean up the green areas. This method helps to cleanly integrate overlays into your video, improving the overall content.